Hello everyone, we'll solve another JEE question today, which came this year in 2021. A block of 200 gram mass moves with a uniform speed in a horizontal circular group with vertical side walls of radius 20 centimeter. If the block takes 40 seconds to complete one round, the normal force by the side walls of the groove is. So if I look at from above, let us say this is the horizontal plane. This is the horizontal plane. And let us say we can draw the groove, something like this. And inside the groove, there is a mass which is undergoing circular motion. The radius of this is given. This is the center O. Radius is 20 centimeter. Mass is given as 200 grams. And the block takes 40 seconds to complete one round. See, what we need here is a force towards the center. A force towards the center, because if there is no force towards the center, there will be no circular motion. So this force towards the center will be given by the normal force. Normal force, this is a horizontal plane. Normal force will be towards the center, and mg will be into the plane. And to balance that, there will be another normal force which will be acting in the upward direction. Let's call it n dash. So n dash will balance mg. Doubt about that. But they have asked the normal force by the side walls of the group. That will be n. And this n will be responsible for the circular motion. So n will be equal to mv squared by r. So mass is known 200 grams. And I need to convert it into kg. So 200 grams will be 0.2 kg. Speed is not known, but what we know that it takes 40 seconds to complete one revolution. So the u speed is uniform. So I can write v is equal to 2 pi r divided by time taken for one revolution. So that is 2 pi, radius is 20 centimeters, so 0.2 meter, and time taken is 40 seconds. So that will give me pi into 0.01. This is the speed, meter per second. And if I use that here, I'll get pi squared into, this is 10 raised to minus 2. So this will be squared, so 10 raised to minus 4. And the radius is 0.2. This will be meters squared per second squared. This will be 0.2 meters squared. So 0.2, 0.2, that will get cancelled out. I'm getting pi square into 10 raised to minus 4 kg meter square per second square, that is your kg meter per second square, that's your Newton. Pi square is approximately C. I don't need to do the calculation. Pi is approximately 3, so pi square is approximately 9.8 something into 10 raised to minus 4 Newton. But we don't need to calculate the actual value. We'll save time here. Of course, in objective exam, we need to save a lot of time. So pi square is approximately 3, pi is 3, so pi square is approximately 3 point something. So that will give you the second option. So normal force is responsible for the centripetal force. And that normal force we can calculate by using mv squared by r, and v that we have calculated using the uniform speed or uniform circular motion.